If you're trying to remove the Brain Drama Puzzle app or its pop-ups from your Android phone, don't worry. This can happen when the app is installed accidentally or it starts showing persistent notifications. Here's how to remove it safely. First, open your phone's settings. Go to Apps, see All Apps or App Manager, depending on your device. Next, find Brain Drama Puzzle in the list of installed apps. Tap on it to open the app info page. Now, tap Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall to remove the app from your device completely. After that, clear residual data and cache. Go back to Settings, Storage, Cached Data, or open the app info page and select Clear Cache, just Clear Storage. This removes leftover files. Also, check for unknown apps or profiles. Go to Settings, Security, Device Administrators, and make sure Brain Drama Puzzle isn't listed. If it is, disable it first before uninstalling. If pop-ups persist, install a trusted ad blocker or anti-malware app. Scan your device to remove hidden files or background processes related to the puzzle app. Finally, restart your phone. This ensures all changes take effect and your device runs cleanly. Once done, Brain Drama Puzzle and its notifications should be completely gone.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.